Cloudinary's SAP Commerce Cloud extension can enhance your end-user shopping experience by incorporating Cloudinary's visual media automation into your SAP storefront. To get started, first, set up the integration using the Cloudinary SAP Commerce GitHub repository and the guides that you can access from Cloudinary's documentation pages. Once installed, log into SAP Backoffice and search for the Cloudinary configuration. This is where you will connect your Cloudinary Media Library to your SAP Backoffice. Using the Configuration Wizard, add your personal Cloudinary connection string. This is a combination of the API key and secret found on your Cloudinary dashboard under the account details. The easiest way to add this is to copy and paste the API environment variable into the wizard, removing the first portion of the string. Next, select the desired folder path in Cloudinary. Media will be stored and continuously synced between Cloudinary and SAP, ensuring all your media items are accessible on either platform. You can also apply upload presets to automatically specify how assets should be stored in your Cloudinary Media Library when uploaded from SAP. Presets can determine the folder where assets are stored, whether existing assets should be replaced, auto-tagging, and more. To easily transform your images and video on the fly, we've included global transformation settings in both product and content catalogs. By default, Auto applies format and quality transformations to image and video files, delivering them in the smallest possible file size to fit the content, page design, and requesting device. This results in faster loading times without sacrificing visual quality. However, if you need to deliver all media in one particular format, there's also a drop-down for that. It's also easy to apply global custom transformations to images or videos. These optimizations can be anything from artistic effects to watermarks or overlays. In addition to transformations, it is also important to add breakpoint settings to all images. Because there is no one-size-fits-all approach for applying responsive breakpoints, Cloudinary has developed a solution that smartly applies breakpoints to every image. This ensures every image looks great, no matter what device it is viewed on. True applies Cloudinary's automatic default breakpoint settings to all images, which are flexible enough to provide optimal responsive behavior without creating too many image versions. But you can choose the settings that best suit your need. The capability to employ Cloudinary's Product Gallery is sure to make a lasting impression on your buyer, allowing them to fully visualize products before purchasing. To choose your settings for the Product Gallery, simply open the editor. The easy-to-use widget lets you determine the overall look of the gallery with a number of configuration options to choose from, including columns, theme colors, transition options, and zoom behaviors. Once you've selected the overall design of your product gallery, copy the JSON code and paste it into the configuration wizard. Now, each product image, video, and spin set will be ideally displayed on your storefront, providing an optimal shopping experience for buyers. And it's no secret that videos can drive conversions, and an engaging video experience will also attract more buyer attention. So we've also included Cloudinary's video player in our extension, providing analytics, better performance, and the option to easily define your playlists. Use the link to open the widget and customize the look of the player. Notice, the Embedded Video Player Studio allows you to determine autoplay behaviors, customize the look of your player, and even select adaptive bitrate streaming as a delivery option. Once you've configured your player, simply copy and paste the JSON into the SAP Configuration Wizard. Click Done, and all specified settings are saved and instantly deployed across your catalogs. The folder path you identified in the first step will be listed in the browser. If you need to update any settings or turn off the extension, click the configuration to open the tabs below and apply your changes. With the extension, you can add media assets through SAP's Backoffice or the storefront using the embedded Cloudinary Media Library. One place to demonstrate this is from Media in the left navigation. Click the Create icon to add a new image. Next, upload your Cloudinary content using the embedded library. Notice how this easy-to-use feature provides similar functionality as your DAM in your account console. Simply locate and open the asset, and then click Insert. The media item's public ID is then listed, confirming it was successfully added. An alert will also appear at the top of the page pointing to the catalog where the new media item lives. We've also made it simple and easy for you to add a product spin set. For this process to work, you will need to prepare the images in your Cloudinary media library. First, make sure all images in the spin set are named in alphabetical order according to the desired spin sequence. Then, apply a universal tag to every image. This is easily done in a single action by selecting all assets together. Once you've prepared the spin set, open the editor for that product and select the Multimedia tab. Scroll down and add the universal tag under the Cloudinary Product Gallery spin set. Using the extension also allows you to apply Cloudinary transformations at any level within SAP's structure. Different Cloudinary image and video transformations can be applied to media based on whether it's contained in the product catalog or content catalog. This can be illustrated by selecting a product and adding the desired image transformation string. You can choose to override the global transformation or link the transformations together. Cloudinary's SAP Commerce extension provides rich media experiences on your storefront by leveraging Cloudinary's automatic optimization and transformation capabilities and delivering responsive media through global content delivery networks. For more information on Cloudinary's SAP Commerce extension, please visit the documentation on our website. You can also send questions or feature requests via our support request form.